Unbelievable. April 2nd. Yesterday was Easter Sunday. It was 54 degrees here. Now look what we got. We got snow. We got about 3, maybe 4 inches already. And this is supposed to go on to around 10 o'clock here. It's 7:30 a.m. right now. And we got snow. What a crazy weather. And this is heavy stuff. This is the heavy snow. You see the bushes back there all with the snow. So I'll go out there a couple times and hit it with the snow blower or the shovel. And just an update. It's April 2nd, 2018, and we got snow again. We're supposed to have spring. This is supposed to be spring now. We got snow. Stay safe out there and keep your food stocked. I do have food on hand. I was going to the grocery store today, but I woke up to this. So that's canceled. But I do have my supplies anyway. Here. We got bread, we got milk, we got orange juice, we got eggs. We got stuff in the cabinet. So we okay.